Alright guys, welcome back again. This is an empty room. Yeah, the kids will be moving to this room pretty soon. Before, yeah, maybe when I come back from the hospital, that is when I'll be arranging the room, because I really didn't have the chance of arranging the room before I'll go for my hospital, for my delivery. So I'm going to be doing all of that when we come back from the hospital. I will arrange the room so that the kids can move into this room. Angel is not going to join Owen, and they are not going to be in one room. So we have moved them from the smaller room to this room. Yeah, so Angel has been sleeping. Angel has been with me in my room. So now that baby will be here soon, Angel have to move out so that baby will be with me. Anyway, you guys, will I say tomorrow? Tomorrow is my CS, and I've not packed my hospital bag. This is the bag I'm going to be using. Okay, this is blue color, and I'm expecting a baby girl, but it doesn't matter. This is what I have. I don't want to go and buy any other bag, so I have this at home. So why will I be spending money buying another bag? So I'm going to be using this for my hospital things. And guys, can you imagine? I don't even know what I'm going to put in this bag. This is my third time having child. I don't know why I'm going to take it to hospital. Anyway, the thing is that you really don't need much at the hospital here if you want to give birth, because the hospital is going to provide your pad, baby diaper, wipes for you to use at the hospital. Yeah, but I'm going to take wipe to the hospital. But they give you something to use at the hospital, not really wipe, but it's some kind of wipe that you can put water and use it. But I'm going to be taking my own personal wipe to the hospital. So they don't allow you dress your baby with baby clothes. They have their own special clothes they give baby to wear at the hospital. If you wear baby your own clothes that you bring from the house, they are going to tell you to pull it, because it's going to be difficult for them each time they want to treat the baby and you too. So because of that, I'm really not taking much to the hospital. It's just the clothes that baby will wear back from the hospital. Yeah, the clothes baby will wear back from the hospital, cap, socks, those things. Yeah, nothing much. So let me not talk too much, guys. Shein has really disappointed me, you guys, because how can I order something since beginning of this month, and today is we are almost at the ending of this month. Shein have not bring my things that I order, and some of those things inside, some of those things are number I wanted to use it at the hospital. Shein have really disappointed me. Anyways, okay. So this is the wipe I'll be holding for baby. This is what is going inside here first. This is um this is 99% water wipe, so it doesn't contain any chemical whatsoever. Summertime here, I really don't need much. So I'm holding only one socks for baby, and I'm holding two caps for baby. Yeah, and I'm holding these clothes for baby to wear back from the hospital. Yeah, the cloth and the cap for baby to wear back from the hospital. Hold this gown for baby as well in case I change my mind. So let me just hold this one for baby. So in case I change my mind, anyone that I decide to wear her back from the hospital. So I'm going to be putting it here. This is all I need for baby. Nothing much. Diaper, every other thing that I'll be needing at the hospital is already there. This baby socker from here. I'll be holding the baby socker for baby. Let me put it in. This baby's blanket. That is the next thing I'm going to be holding for baby. Her blankets. So let me just put the blankets inside the bag. I'm going to be holding some panties. I'm going to be holding some panties and one bra. So that's it. It's not as if I'm going to use everything here, but just in case. Yeah, and I'll be putting them here. And for my roll on, my main roll on, and my mist, I'm definitely going to hold this. Yeah. For the shampoo, um, for the shampoo and the cream, I'm not really going to be using cream. I won't lie. So for my face cream and all of those things, I will put them inside the bag once I finish using them before we go to hospital. Hopefully I don't forget. So because I'm still going to use those ones, I don't want to put them inside the bag right away. So I don't even know what I'm going to take to hospital. I can't remember again what you normally take to hospital. I know if my husband is coming, he's the one that will be bringing the baby the car seats that baby will be coming home with for me. So guys, do you think I'm missing anything? If I can't really remember what you take to hospital. It's been long. I went to have my baby. This is rainbow. I don't think I'm going to use it, so let me just hold it for baby girl. Oh, what else am I going to be holding? What else? I don't think I'm really holding much. Nothing much, guys. Seriously, no, you don't need much things to take to the hospital, I'm telling you. So the clothes, yeah, the clothes I'm going to be wearing back from hospital, I will put that one inside the bag. And yeah, just that. Seriously, guys, let me know. This place is for my documents. Yeah, my documents is already here. Everything is here. So this is the handbag I will be holding, plus this particular bag. Finish. This one I'm keeping it. I'm not. This one is not going with me. So this bag. Okay, I even put my is it foundation? No, this is not foundation. This is powder. Yeah, I'm taking it along in case I need it. In case I need it, but who have time to be doing makeup at the hospital? Not the me, not me and Mama. Anyway, guys, this is what I've gotten here so far. Tomorrow is my schedule. Tomorrow is my CS. I'm going to leave this bag here. If I remember anything, I'll come and put it here. If I remember anything, before we leave tomorrow, if I remember anything, I'll come and put it here. So that is what I'll just do. And yeah, voila. Here, my purse will be here. My Fimi gadgets, yeah, that one will be going with me definitely. But I'm not putting it this night. I'm still going to use it today. I'm still going to use it to film some content before I'll be putting it inside my bag. It's definitely going inside my bag. I'm not holding camera. I think I'm okay with my phone. Yeah, so that's it for this video. Let me know what you think. Do you think I'm forgetting anything, or what do I need to put? What am I forgetting? Because I can't really remember. It's been 2 years now. I gave birth last 2 years, almost 3 years, so I can't really remember what to take to the hospital. Anyway, I'll be putting some snacks as well. I'll be putting some snacks. I'm not forgetting that, like chin chin, yeah, and plantain cheese. I bought that one. I'll be putting it here as well. So I'm definitely not forgetting that. In fact, let me go and bring it before I forget. It means I have plantain chips and I have chin chin. I'm just going to be putting it two inside the bag. In case I or my husband need it, that is why I'm putting it. So just in case. This is my hospital bag. So see it. I have this bag. I cannot leave it and go and get another one. This is my last baby. We are not ready to get much things. Yeah, I bought the things that I needed. You know, as they born, you're the wise. You know what's in your baby they use, or you know what's in they use for your baby at home. So that's it for this video. See you all. Bye.